got my money.
Hey, good morning guys. So I bought this brush. So I got an ad on Instagram for this detangler brush, and it's by the brand Easy Detangler. I'll have their stuff linked in the description. And this is the brush. It's supposed to make detangling your hair a lot easier, especially for those of us who have, or I don't really have tight curls. Some areas of my hair are really tight, some aren't. So I decided to test it out because it's wash day and I'm getting my hair done. So I'm just gonna wash my hair quickly, and then I'll do a demo showing whether the claims that the company makes are true. The brush that they showed was blue. I got a pink one. So I don't buy things based off of Instagram ads because I don't trust them. So this is the brush, and like the bristles separate. I'll just show you guys when I'm actually doing the demo. I might use this in the shower just to like rake through my concealer. But yeah, I just wanted to do a quick intro to preface the video. So let's get on with the wash day. I have to be very quiet because my family is sleeping. So I'm just gonna put in my detangler. Test out the brush. Okay, so I just wanted to walk you guys through the detangling process. So as you can see, I'm detangling my hair like how you're supposed to, and it's moving through my hair like butter. And I was shook. I didn't believe my eyes. I had to make sure you guys see what I'm seeing because I never thought this would ever happen. I was so confused. So I had to get another section just to make sure this wasn't a gimmick. The ends of my hair are pretty bad, so I have to probably do a trim, so don't mind that part. But like, look at how it's just gliding through my hair. And it doesn't hurt. I'm shook. I usually get some tugging and stuff when I'm detangling my hair, but zero. And do you see this big section? Honestly, I thought this was a gimmick. No. This is insane. Even with my Denman brush, I get some tugging, and it kind of hurts. But this is amazing. I'm probably gonna throw up all my other detangler brushes because this right here, this is the goat, honestly. Okay, so hair is detangled. Overall thoughts, this detangling brush is amazing. Um, Usually my head hurts so much by the time I'm done, and I just feel fine. Um, yeah, so if I were you and you have trouble detangling your hair, I would definitely purchase this. It's pretty inexpensive. I think it was like 20 USD, which is not that bad. So yeah, and I don't think I'm gonna touch my other products. Like I have my Denman brush and my wide tooth comb. I'll probably keep like one or two like for in shower detangling, and I'm definitely gonna use this for in the shower. So yeah, I hope you all enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give me a big thumbs up. Please subscribe if you like the video. It would mean the world to me. Don't forget to leave some comments down below, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye guys.